Look at these two. Look at them. And that's how we're starting a brand new day with my babies. Say hello.
Hello. I still can't believe that the bad guys told us.
I still can't believe that either. Say good morning.
Say good morning.
Hi Face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes, we are still in disbelief that they stole my phone. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, go back and watch yesterday's vlog and you'll see all about what happened in Paris City yesterday, honey child. But it's a brand new day and we're moving forward with positive vibes. We're moving forward without fear and we're heading back to Paris today, girl. I mean, we're in Paris, but we're heading back to the city today. Today is yet another adventure day for us. So, let's see what we're about to do today. Ready? Because I'm ready and the entire fam is ready. Let me show you guys a quick outfit of the day. A quick outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Comfy and ready for Paris. It's not chilly today, so I'm happy that the sun is out and looking beautiful and is ready for me, and my kids are just happy and having a hell of a time. You guys, look at this Eiffel Tower that Tyler bought for his souvenir yesterday. Isn't it beautiful? Tyler spent his money. Look at it. Real Eiffel Tower. And he love it. Anyway, you guys, stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, enjoy the vacation vlogs on the... I'm talking. She have a happy cry. Yeah. Alright, stop tickling her. Stop tickling her now. Stop. Anyway, you guys, enjoy all the vacation vlogs that rolling out. Love you guys. And we're heading out right now in this noisy setting. So, let's go enjoy Paris. He won't stop tickling her and she don't want him to stop. She's too cute. That's my babies. Already. Guys, we have gotten to the museum. We are heading to Musée Grévin. It's like Madame Tussauds in English. You guys in the United States should have an idea of what it is. So there it goes. We're heading in right now. What I didn't get to tell you guys is that all of these activities and attractions that you guys have seen us going into, we have to show our fully vaccinated pass before we're able to go in them. So I think that's a good thing, but hey, we still have to wear our mask. Well, yeah, we're heading inside to see what the experience is gonna be like. There we are. Look over there. Say hi. Look at Princess. She just woke up from her nap. They have photos in the hallway of different celebrities. Leonardo DiCaprio, Celine Dion. This is Angelina Jolie. Right here. I think this is Marilyn Monroe. It looks like her. This one. If you guys think I'm wrong, comment down below. But there's no name on there, so I can't tell exactly who that is. I have no idea who this is, but it looks like Bruce Willis. Kinda, sorta ish. So we made it inside. We don't start seeing them as yet. The boss, look back. Oh my god. The boss himself. I want a picture with him. Ryan Gosling is here. So cute, so handsome. Who is this? Penelope Cruz. That's her. And over here you have another boss, Angelina. He's looking so fine. Who is this? I don't know who this is. Lambert Wilson. I don't know him. But they look so cute. Hey, ah, and who is this one?
Pulvo.
We're in theater section. Okay, Tala is giving a very nice tour.
That you show me earlier. The little one, it's the Mimi Maxi, one of the most famous French actors.
Okay.
She's a little one. Wow, you know who is Molière? Molière is one of the most famous, look at
Most of these are French actors.
1673. He used to do a lot of comedy. Okay? He is one of the most famous ever for comedy in the world with Shakespeare. They are both similar. Shakespeare and Molière is like the French Shakespeare.
Okay.
1622.
Okay.
So when Tyler will go to school, he will
They'll learn about them. We're in the magic section right now. Look into your life. Tell me what you see in the future. That's what they normally do. Tell her, come, don't go around there. You want to go in the cake? You want to put your head up through the cake? Come. Go under. Ooh. Wait, don't move. They're having juice, they're having breakfast. A whole breakfast setting is going on here. He's having breakfast, I
can touch it?
Yes. No, leave it. His bread is real? Okay, you feel like bread?
I feel like it's real. I just feel like that juice too is real.
Tella.
sit beside him.
Who is he?
He's an international French actor. He could do a movie. No, Tyler.
Sit beside him. Hi, Mr. Pope. How you doing?
Angela Merkel.
Oui. You know who is Angela Merkel? She's the president or the prime minister of Germany. The Pope. I'm with Mr. Pope. Biden is... Oh, that's Putin. It's not done properly. You know who this guy? You know who is that? He's the current president. Yeah, haha. And who is Joe Biden? Off? You want a photo with him? Go meet Biden. Go on. Say hello, Monsieur Biden. I'm actually taller than the queen. Who is this? Oh, back row. Come time. Albert Einstein is right there. Who is that? Okay. Whoever Thomas Pesquet is.
Want a picture with him? Go. Pictures with him.
She finished.
Just wait and you go after.
Go stand to the side.
After.
Go now. Go.
No, in the middle.
Go in front of him. I like that Tyler want to sit the way they are. Good job, let's go. We're in the history section. Look how cool. Back in the days.
The light is real.
No, it's not real at all. You can touch. Huh? Who is this? Oh yeah.
Who is it?
I have no idea. Look. Look here. The first man.
C'est les deux premiers hommes qui existaient.
45 years. 45,000 years before Jesus Christ.
45,000 years before Jesus Christ. Wow.
Dans la préhistoire.
All these are kings in this section.
Charles le premier grandit Charlemagne.
And you will learn it.
All the kings of France. He's handsome one. He's handsome, but him not so much. Him look mean.
Saint Louis.
Him short though.
Saint Louis.
Saint Louis. Louis IX.
Louis looks mean. Who is this? Attends, Tyler, wait.
It's Louis IX.
Le même?
It's
The
Louis
same as the
IX.
one behind me?
No, c'est 11.
Oh, he was an old one, honey. Hmm?
Papa, c'est un fantôme.
Yes, it's you go in there and you put your head.
And he,
It's too short.
oh la la.
He's dead.
No, it's Tyler. Famous one that she used to hear things that burn now.
Oh my gosh.
She died.
Oh my gosh, babe said this one was a famous one. She used to hear things and they burn her. That's sad.
Tyler, look who it is.
Who is this?
Pictures of Tyler with you.
Who is he?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh, your favorite. Go. Stand, tie fast. That's who you've been asking to see. Go in front. He's been asking to see this one. There we go. Happy?
Yes.
Huh?
François Prenez the big.
Take my camera, please, babe.
So it's Tyler taking a coffee with
His favorite,
Pablo Picasso.
He's handsome Picasso. Look at Mama. They'll always talk about him. Why are you not looking at me?
So this one is Salvador Dali. You can see the mustache, the mask. Okay, if you want to take the
C'est qui?
Gandhi.
Who?
Gandhi. Tyler.
Who is he? Don't go up there.
Gandhi is one
Who
of
is
the-
Gandhi?
He's like a Dalai Lama.
Is like a who?
Like a Dalai Lama is a really
Jean-Paul II.
popular for peace.
Ah, okay.
Jean-Paul II.
Nelson Mandela.
The
Jean Paul, Gandhi, Manhattan.
We know this one. This one is, I think it's called Le Petit Prince. Right, Le Petit Prince. It's a very famous character in France. Right. Titeuf. You know Titeuf, Tyler?
Look at his head.
Wow, this is a very popular book in France. Titeuf too.
Sorry, look at this one. Look at this one.
Now, who's this one? Okay.
Sarah said cheese. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Sarah.
Titeuf is the book.
Sarah. Wow.
Mama, like this one.
Mama, look, the even of it.
Sarah.
Tyler, your big head in the middle.
Sarah. Look at the boss. It's okay. It's okay. The Olympics. Viva. Teddy. Tony Parker. The judo boss. Oh my gosh. See Jackie Chan over there. Ah. Tala, I see Mbappe. You have to find him. Find Mbappe. Come, let me show you Mbappe. Pardon. See Mbappe there in front of you. Look. Wait. Tyler love Mbappe. Wait, Ty, wait. Don't move. Wait. Finish. He's finished. Yes. You need to tell him who that is. Pele. C'est Pele, no? Oui. Pele is one of the most famous footballers. Go. Oui. Stand beside him, Ty. Bravo. Sarah love Gaga, obviously. Katy Perry. No, Katy Perry, Madonna. Who is this? Louis Armstrong. Oh, Elton John here. Is this Stevie Wonder? No? Yes?
Mama, they're
Henry. No, they're not rude.
Yes, they are.
Why?
Because they didn't put Angeline in the Olympics.
That's true. Oh, all right. That one is well done. Michael Jackson. None of
Second Michael Jackson.
Matt Pokora.
So we are more in the international section now. We are George.
And the fine Brad.
What about him here?
Oh, Leonardo. DiCaprio. It is so well done. Oh my God. She is Marilyn right? So, yes. At least one was so funny.
The very famous one. Look at his name. Charlie Chaplin is Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley. They're going together.
He died recently.
Yeah.
He died recently.
Oh, you know him?
You guys, this is one of many operas in Paris, honey.
Yeah, it's called Opéra Garnier.
Opera Garnier. Wow, this is an opera, and as you guys can see, they're doing performances down the bottom at the moment. But look how beautiful this building is. And funny enough, this building across, I thought it was something have to do with the opera, but it's actually just a cafe down the bottom, and at the top is a hotel. It looks really, really beautiful. And look at all these buildings within the space. Looks the same. Oh my, everything just matched in so well, so beautifully. Tyler bought this. Tyler is using all his little pocket money that he have. What did you buy? You guys know that she loved Paw Patrol, and he was not Paw Patrol, Star Wars, and he was so sweet. He chose this for his sister. Who is that? Who is that? Peppa Pig. You're so sweet. I just took off my mask because I'm not really around anybody. People is just walking by. So that's the opera behind me. This building is absolutely gorgeous, and all of them within this space, absolutely beautiful.
Hey guys, we are Rue de la Paix. So we are here in Rue de la Paix. Rue de la Paix is the most expensive street in the Monopoly, and you will see guys why.
Okay, babe told me that this place is a very luxury place. It's one of the most expensive. Place Vendôme. That's the name of the avenue. Look, brands and more brands. But look how beautiful this place is. Oh my gosh. Look at this jewelry. The minute you see these, you say, yep, let me keep walking, girl. But it's beautiful. Absolutely. Wow. Wow. Look at that piece.
Snake.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. I wanted to show you guys this one. Look at this one with the snake. That is so cute. That is beautiful. Why are you shouting? It's so pretty. Marilyn Monroe kind of life. Yes. Goodie. Wow. One with yourself. One with yourself. Goods. Wow. No, sir. Vendôme. That's the name of the place, right? Vendôme. So there we go, in the heart of the expense, of the luxury, in the heart of lux. And this is a whole different side of Paris that we are on in comparison to where we were yesterday. So if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, can you give me my sunglasses in the front? If you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, make sure you go and catch yesterday's vlog. You guys, we're walking along the same street and see this big wheel, and there's a big park over there, but I'm definitely not venturing over there with the kids today. I'm so tired. Okay, you guys, we've made it to Cathedral Notre Dame. I don't remember if you guys have seen it on the news. I think it's, how long now it burned? 2 years? It's been 2 years. Wow, time has really flown by. So it's been 2 years since it was burned, so we cannot visit inside, but you can still see the monument is still standing tall, and renovations going on right now. There goes the Notre Dame. Let me give you guys a zoom. You guys, look at this tour boat passing right under the bridge that we are. My battery's gonna die, so hopefully you guys can catch a good view of it. Say hi. Wave, Tyler, wave. Tyler, look. The people passing. Wow. That is absolutely beautiful. No? No, babe?
Yeah. So here is the cathedral.
Yeah, we're standing in front of Notre Dame.
So there's a concert or something like this, the special event, so we can't go closer. You can see the walk because of the fire.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty brand new. You can see on top.
How everybody just stood here looking while it was burning. Like, pause on the walking for a bit. We are at a spot having a drink and some little appetizer to eat. So we made our order and we're just here waiting. My cousin-in-law met up with us today again. So she's here. The cuckoo. Hey! You guys probably remember Idalina from she being at my house a couple months ago. But yeah, that's my girl. Baby's there.
And also yesterday.
Yeah, they saw her yesterday. Anyway, you guys, we're here. We're actually sitting right across from the Notre Dame, but there's some trees that's blocking the view from where we are right now. But we just needed something to eat, so we just at this spot. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's vlog. How are you?
Hello.
That's your new toy.
Yes. Hello.
This thing is gonna annoy the hell out of me for the next few days. Tyler having Pepsi, cousin having wine. C'est sucré ou pas? C'est sucré?
No. You wanna taste?
No.
Bah, tu peux.
No.
C'est pas très sucré, moi je suis plutôt sec.
Babe have our usual Monaco, but my other favorite was on the menu, so I took it. Sarah is having popcorn.
Popcorn! I can give some
Chin first, Ty. Chin. Yep. Together. Awesome. Popcorn, more popcorn.
Sarah, no.
Yes, Sarah, yes. Went in for it, sir. Ooh, hot. Okay, very, very hot.